Hello, today we will guide you through how to create PrimeXBT account. To begin, open your browser and go to Google. This is the easiest way to quickly find the official PrimeXBT website, especially if you do not already have the web address saved. Once the Google homepage loads, click into the search bar and type in PrimeXBT. In the original example, the search term is entered slightly differently, but the goal is to search for the platform so you can find the correct website. After the search results appear, look for the official PrimeXBT listing and click on it. As with any financial platform, it is a good idea to make sure you are selecting the correct website before continuing. Taking a moment here can help you avoid unofficial pages and make sure you are creating your account in the right place. Once the PrimeXBT sign-up page opens, you will see the fields needed to create your account. Enter your email address in the email field, then create a password in the password field. When choosing a password, make sure it is strong and memorable to you. A good password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. For your privacy and security, do not share your login details with anyone, and avoid using sensitive personal information in your password. After you have filled in your email and password, review the information briefly to make sure everything is typed correctly. This is especially helpful for avoiding mistakes in your email address, which could affect future account access or verification. When you are ready, click the Sign Up button to continue with the registration process. If you would rather not create an account by manually entering your email and password, there is another option available on the same page. Near the bottom, you may see alternative sign-in or sign-up methods, such as signing in with Google. If that option is available and you prefer a faster setup, you can select it instead. This can simplify the process and reduce the amount of information you need to type manually. At that point, your account creation process is underway. From there, simply follow any on-screen prompts that appear next. Take your time, read each page carefully, and make sure the information you provide is accurate. That's it for this guide on how to create a PrimeXBT account. Thanks for watching, and we hope this walkthrough made the process clear and easy to follow.